Guys, today I want to show you the pictures of the animals of the world. These pictures are very famous in the world. So I have the folder in the computer, so I will tell you about the pictures. Animal pictures. So, so these are the beautiful pictures: lion, cats, dogs, horse, horse, horses, black horse, white horse running with a dog, calf, white horse, black horse, shark, tiger, kangaroo, penguins, monkeys, butterflies, cats, bear, monkey, duck, elephant, pigeon, parrot. Oh, so beautiful parrot. Lions, a lion drinking water. It's a very beautiful picture. Birds, rhinoceros, hens, monkeys, puppies, rhino, horses. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.